All right, we're back now. All right, let's start walking down that way. So that's where the. All right, there's some bluegill right there. You can take the bucket with us. Your shadow scared me. I'm fishing with this trout lure. Hey, now, don't whack me with your... I trust you more than Nando, though. Huh? I trust you more than Nando. Yeah, Nando doesn't know how to fish. Like, I was in the middle of making a video yesterday, and he was sitting there tangling up on my line.
Oh my God, I just thought your
Lure
was that bird that just flew like barely over the water. Where's your line?
right here in front of me. This lure has good action, though.
Fish.
Is it a bass?
It's strong.
Yeah, it's probably a bass. Or a world record bluegill.
Bluegill. Wait, what? Oh, I saw a fucking...
Language, young man.
My bad.
Why does this bird keep coming back over here?
He's looking for our fish.
It's a decent sized bluegill. It's in his mouth, that's where it's at. If I don't get anything on this soon, I'll probably switch. I mean, I know there's a few bass in here that are definitely big enough to eat this.
It is good. Good size.
What's your drag set at? Maybe that's why it fought so hard. You might have had your drag low.
You want to take a look at my drag?
Yeah, let me reel this one back in real quick. Oh, am I on? No, it got off, I think. That either I hit a piece of grass that I felt something pull on it.
Yo. Those ripples, I just watched the fish pop out.
Oh, something just nibbled at it. All right, there's definitely stuff trying to bite it. I barely even got to cast it and it goes all the way out there.
I mean, yeah, it's heavy.
Make sure that doesn't slide out. Because I remember there was one time I was fishing at Lake Glendale and I had another rod like this and I went to cast and it went, and half the rod went in the tree.
Unfortunate. I had something nibbling me almost all the way from my destination.
Hopefully we catch something in this video. Last time, all I caught was a few bluegill in the net.
I mean, a few bluegill's better than no bluegill, you know?
Yeah. But
oh, fish. Go ahead. Please tell me. Oh, I don't have him.
Out here, we're at least guaranteed to catch a fish.
Dude, he's like right in front of me. Like, not there.
Not anymore.
Actually spike a fish with my lure.
Oh, I almost about tangled over you. All right, the good thing about this lure, it has good action and it goes far. Bad thing, it's hard to control.
I was gonna say, it's uncontrollable. There we go.
There's definitely no fish right here now anymore because the nose scared them. Launch your chair in the water.
Absolutely. Launching my chair.
Well, the fish can have a place to sit now. Why is there a bluegill chasing it? Buddy, the bait's the same size as you.
You got a bluegill over there?
There's a bluegill chasing it.
really hungry. Oh, dude, monster right here.
Monster bass or bluegill?
Oh, looks like bass. Not right there.
Get this gunk off of here.
He's like right in here. Cast it like over on him.
Since I'm not good at editing yet, this is about to be like an hour-and-a-half long video. My last one was like 27 minutes long. It was like 27 minutes and like the
7:06.
something like that.
Dude, I wish I could get more distance on my line.
On your what?
On my line.
I might have a heavier lure you can use.
Nah, it's alright. This one's catching enough. Plus, I already have a weight on there.
Well, this one, so far, one bass hit it and then a little bluegill was sitting there chasing it.
I got just ripped out of a fish.
I've had this lure for like 7 years and I've never used it.
Really? That's surprising. It's quite a lot. I'm surprised you didn't use it over when we were in the park.
Oh, I've just never used it. Because like normally when I go fishing, I used to just go fishing to catch a little fish to put in my tanks and ponds. They went to a movie, I think. And then I think Nando's helping his dad. Here, fishy, fishy, fishies.
You gonna come feel the drag on my line?
Yeah, bring it over here.
Here, I'll hold yours.
No, I got it.
It looks rickety.
I don't remember which way yours goes.
I think left's tight, right's loose.
What happened to righty tighty lefty loosey? All right, there. It should be tightened all the way. If you get something like real big, you'll have to loosen it and like try to wear it out because I don't know how much. How strong is your line? This line is only like 8 pounds. Probably not the smartest idea to use one of the biggest lures I have on it. I thought about it, but I forgot about it. Well, yeah, because we're walking around the pond.
Yo!
Who's that? Who is that?
I don't know.
Javier. Is that Dale's younger brother?
I think it's cousin? Something like that?
I just heard somebody yelling. I thought we were getting kicked out.
Dude, that bird almost just ran into my line.
Yeah, I should have brought the bug spray.
I ain't no problem, dog. A bee just tried to land on me. Oh.
Oh, I went right into algae. No, if you want, I'm pretty sure there's a place for you to collapse your chair and put it on my bag. So you don't have to just keep carrying it with you.
I'm not really worried about it. I can carry it. I just stood up because I saw something like jump out of the water.
Oh, that was my lure.
No, over here.
I know, right in front of you?
Yeah.
That was my lure. I threw it over there and it bounced.
Here, put your bucket in your bag.
It won't go in the bag, but I might have somewhere where I can strap onto.
Alright, strap this stuff on, man.
Yeah, but you said you got the bucket, though.
Yeah, but it's your bucket.
Your words exactly. I got the bucket.
Yeah, because you left it.
See if it has anywhere to strap on back there.
It's just strap on.
Imagine like a 10-pound bass just came and grabbed this while I was sitting right here.
I don't know. I don't think it does.
It's alright.
It's got like these, and what looks to be one here.
Here, wait. I have like the rod holders on the side. See if they Velcro. See if you can Velcro it enough to get the bucket to stay on it.
Get the other side. And we'll just get both sides of this handle.
Where are the fishies at? Last time I was out here, I caught like 30 bass.
Stand up, stand up. There you go.
Alright, but I think that was down there a little bit more, so I think
Yeah, it was like over by the log.
I know, I'm reeling this one in. I wish I saw that pink lure. That thing was doing amazing out here.
You want to sit on it?
Nah, I'm good. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep walking up and down the bank casting.
I don't think they're seeing my thing because it's got all that algae on it all the time.
I got a different lure if you want to use one.
No, I've got more. It's just I don't really feel. I don't feel like.
That's probably why you ain't catching. You keep scaring them away.
No, it did a bug at my eye and I just landed it straight into the water.
I'm honestly surprised I haven't caught anything on this yet.
Yeah, me too. I think you need to just let it sink.
Yeah, I'm gonna cast it out there and let it sink down just a little bit. Let it sink for a minute. Are you on?
Maybe. Maybe not. Nope. Nibbles though.
Yeah, I don't know how deep this pond is, so I don't want to let it sink and like get stuck in sticks or stuck in algae.
Yeah, that sucks to lose that.
Oh, am I on something? Oh, I am. Maybe. No. Oh, now I am. God, no, it got off.
Oh, dang.
Bro, that was a big fish. Did you see that ripple?
That was huge. Throw it like out to the right.
I was like, oh man, it got off. Another huge one just comes and grabbed it.
I almost just like nailed you with this thing.
Bro.
Dude, this algae keeps like pump faking me out, dude.
That got my hopes up now.
Yeah, you just need to let it sink.
Like at first, only a bluegill was going after it.
Now you had what? A giant bass it looked like? Didn't look like a catfish.
No, it definitely wasn't a catfish. Catfish wouldn't blow up on it like that. Or at least channel catfish most likely wouldn't in here. That fish was probably like at least 3 pounds easily.
Oh yeah. Dude, that thing was massive.
I don't know if the camera's seen it, but that thing was huge.
I hope the camera saw it. That thing was like...
They definitely seen the ripple. Or the tsunami it left behind, but I don't know if the camera could exactly see the fish itself. Like, I don't know if with the glare of the... I know, like I was like, oh, I got one on, I think, and then it got off, and then another one jumped on it.
Was it another one?
It might have been the same one, I don't know. But it was huge.
I figured it just kind of like stopped fighting for a second because it didn't know it had anything.
No, because I seen the lure come back up, and then I seen a big fish come and try to get it. By the way, if you need pliers, I got pliers in my bag. I'll definitely need pliers with this lure though, because it's a treble hook.
Yo, yeah, you will. If you don't, that'd be a miracle.
Unless it's like perfectly hooked. Oh. Something bit at it. See, the only problem is that I think they're biting back here.
And it's just kind of nibbling the tail?
Yeah, instead of like the hook up here. But like, if something grabs that hook, it's over with. It'd have to either be really lucky to get off or snap my line.
I think if you would have actually hooked that fish from earlier, it might have snapped it.
Maybe.
Yeah, it was a big thing. Starting to think my nibble.
I mean, 8-pound line on a 3-pound fish should hold.
I mean, yeah, but...
Like, I caught that 6-pound drum on my bluegill rod the other day.
With how it was jumping, dude?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm going to take a cast over here, and then I might go back to that spot I was just at.
Cast over by, like,
Those logs and stuff.
trees.
Yeah, let's just hope I don't get stuck in the tree like last time.
Yeah.
Let me step down here, hopefully. Oh, yeah, that's solid.
Is it solid?
Yeah. Like, it looks like you would sink instantly, but...
That's instantly mud.
Oh, not for me. Like, it's mud, but it's not like the mud that, like, you sink in. You might slip a little bit. Yeah, it's solid enough to sit on, though. Do you hear that beeping? Or whatever that is?
You mean the frogs?
No, it's not the frog. It sounds like a beeping noise.
No, it's algae, like always.
Bro, I wish I would have hooked into that fish. That would have been...
Dude, that thing floated. Oh, got him.
No. This lure is so heavy, sometimes it's hard to tell if there's something on it or not.
Oh,
If
dude,
it's just algae.
If anything's grabbing that, you're gonna tell instantly.
Well, like, I'll feel a tug, and, like, you know, bass are aggressive, so they'll bite at just about anything.
Yeah.
Same, just like that bluegill earlier, too. So, like, I can't tell if I'm, like, cooking on grass or if it's a fish, but that fish earlier definitely was a fish. As it gets later, we should get more bites.
I'd say so.
Oh, why is my lure being all wonky? Oh, the hook.
Oh, that's why they're not biting and hooking. Dude, the hook's about to fly out of the thing.
I thought the hook, like, fell off and it was attached to the line. I was about to say, like, that's some bull. The hook just falls off.
Yeah, that sucks. I've got a decent cast, but I wish I could go further, dude. Like them giant rods. This one? Them giant rods that, like, you throw it and it just goes.
Kind of like Alex's rod before it broke.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back right here and try again.
The issue with this is that fish immediately lose interest once it like gains algae.
Oh yeah, you're supposed to.
It starts spinning. It stops like swimming like a normal fish would.
Well, here, I got a different lure you can use real quick.
Oh, I'm alright. I don't have. Wait.
Just make sure you take the algae off of it every time there's some on there. I wonder how deep this pond is. We're already 22 minutes in.
Huh?
We're already 22 minutes in.
No way. Doesn't feel like it. I can't wait for that sun to set a little bit more. That way it's not like in my eyes every time I look at you.
I don't know. I wish I knew where my headlamp went.
You hear the bullfrog starting up?
Yeah. Like, I thought I left it in my car, but then I think my grandpa might have got it out. But then he said he didn't know where it was at. I think he lost it. He just forgot where he set it.
Dude, there's something in front of me.
It might be grass that you're catching on.
No, 'cause it like nibbles and then it dips away.
Oh, about slipped in this mud.
Fish guy hasn't caught a single fish.
I don't know. I need that pink lure back.
Where's that? Where's that?
I know. I need that pink lure that I lost out here back.
Where'd you lose it at?
The other pond that's down that way. Remember, I lost it in like those like big viney plants by the water.
Yeah.
I hooked into a bass and then it tangled me up.
Like, dude, see what I mean? It just keeps grabbing.
I gotta make sure I don't hook into that tree again. We don't have Alex here to spend 2 hours getting the hook out. Well, I don't know where I got this lure at. I think I got it out of like a mystery box. Yeah, I think my grandpa got like a fishing mystery box for Christmas and then he gave me this lure.
These bugs are gonna make me mad. Keep like trying to stab me in the eye. Dude, huge nibbles out there, but I just cast. Oh, it took my thing.
What do you mean?
Got that lure.
Oh yeah, I'll get it.
Is it in your bag?
Yeah, I'll,
You want to turn around, I can grab it.
nah, it's fine. I got it.
You mind if I get a cast with your thing? See how heavy it is?
I'm gonna be mad if you catch a fish on it first cast with it.
Dude, you slammed it straight to Albert.
Oh, I was trying to set it down.
Alright.
Here, do you want one of these that I was catching a bunch of bluegill on, or not bluegill, a bunch of bass on last time?
Sure, if you want to throw it on my thing. I've already got
Hey, I said I'd give you one. I didn't say it was signing it on for you.
You wanna... well, I've already got a hook on there.
Oh, you already have a hook on it?
Yeah. It took the loop.
Oh, I got something else then.
Okay, I see what you mean by it feels like it's there.
Yeah.
I understand it.
Like, it's heavy enough, like, if you barely hook algae, it feels like a tug. So, like, it'd have to be like how the other fish was, just full on splash out of the water to try to get it, or, like, pull it.
Watch this.
Alright, yeah, you do have a little jig head on there.
Dude, I think I know where a big fish is. I just need to see if I can...
In the water.
Yeah. No, he's on land to my right. Tell you what, for a fish, it has some good aerodynamics.
Alright, this lure, or this jig head might be too small for this lure, but we'll make it work. Well, alright, after you reel on that cast, you can have your prod back. Let me take a cast and see how this lure looks, though. That went decent. We far.
I figured out the reel in on this thing now. You go slow, and I mean slow.
Yeah.
Like, let it sink, like, out there.
Yeah, like whenever it's out farther, I'll reel it slower, but then once I get closer to the shore with all that algae.
I think I just laughed.
Nah, I'm right here. Well, more algae. I think what's making yours sink so much is that you have this other weight up here that you don't need necessarily, and it's making it sink faster going into the algae.
Yeah, you just keep grabbing algae too?
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna take this lure off of here and just put on a different one. Well, I'll give you a different lure to tie on. Bye.
Fish guy Logan does that. How about that? That's fishing for guys. That's right, it's not fish, it's guys. You got anything?
Yes, I know, I'm addicted to fish.
You're addicted
Oh.
to licking toads.
What? I'm trying to find a place to kneel down on the ground where there ain't goose poop. Do you want a topwater lure that like sits on the top of the water that's a frog?
No?
Like this.
No,
So
I want to lure it.
it is a lure.
You know what I mean. You're like, getting algae off this
Actually, I think I got a different lure that I have multiple of in here somewhere that I can give you.
Well, I thought this was a dual tri-hook. Like 2 of the 3 prongs.
No, oh, I don't think I put them in here yet.
So many rods, dude. You know what? Well, I'll wait for you to do that. I'm gonna cast out like straight.
Now that one's just big hooks. Shut up, frogs.
Asking you shall receive, I guess.
Alright, I'm giving you a lure with a treble hook, so you'll probably need pliers later.
Dub.
Oh, I thought something splashed.
If something splashing that big, we've got problems.
That fish that attacked my lure earlier. Oh,
Your lure was a cause, you know? Are these trucks in his own driveway?
Hmm?
Is his truck stuck in his own driveway? He's like spinning tires. Oh,
Oh.
fish! Fish! No way! Dude, he broke off.
about to say, you better not have broke off.
Dude, I felt nibble, 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 grab, rip.
Here, come over here and get this. Set my pole down.
Alright, dude, he's like dead in front of me.
Alright, I'm tying you on a lure.
That would have been a nice fish, dude. The good thing about those little, like, flimsy lures that I have, like that, they catch pretty much anything.
Yeah.
The issue with that one is that, like,
Well,
fit everything's face.
well, bass, they got largemouth bass. They got a pretty large mouth. So, I mean, like a little one, like I just accidentally crunched a piece of sand in my mouth.
Ew.
Did you hear it?
No. I heard like a small like, but I don't think it was the sand. Oh no, it is. I hear it, dude. It sounds like you're chewing on ice.
It don't taste like ice.
I'd say so.
Taste earthy.
Oh, dude, my phone's at 5. And then we got a Snapchat notification. Who could it be from?
Chloe.
Most likely. If my phone doesn't die before I get to see.
Alright, that shouldn't come off. Let me take a quick cast real quick with this. Oh, I about died over a little tree stump.
Immediately gets a fish, just like off rip.
Where is it? Oh yeah.
I see it.
You'll probably have to crank that. Wait, let me see if this one's the one. There's some lures like this that you crank them fast to sink. Alright, no, you gotta crank this one, yeah, faster to sink. So the slower you crank, the more it'll rise.
Oh, no way. Dude, money. Here.
Grab me the pliers.
I think we might want to keep these out now that we're both using some.
It's a little bass, but I finally caught something. You happy, guys? I caught a fish in this video. I don't like holding bass like up like that when it's treble hooks. It's so easy to... Will you set it down?
Here. I was gonna say, either you step on it or I'll grab his tail.
I feel that bucket sliding up on me.
You want me to take it off?
Nah, it's fine.
You don't really need it on there.
Yeah, but I don't feel like carrying it.
Yes.
Yeah, fishy.
Alright.
Alright, now where... I'll just... Ugh, fishy. Oh. You gotta cast it.
No, dude, there's something right there. I'm trying to see if I can...
What time is it? Noah, check your phone.
I don't know.
We're 35 minutes in, so it's probably like... We started at what, 7?
I got here at like 6, so it's probably like 6:30. It's 7:49. So yeah, you would have started around 7.
All right, now let me see if I can catch something on this big lure. I don't know. Seems like they're eating a little bit higher up because that one was closer to the surface of the water when that one bit. And then that other bass bit this one almost at the top.
How much of the bite do you notice with this one?
You notice it pretty good. Here in a little bit, maybe we'll move up there to the front pond.
Yeah. I feel like I'm getting a lot better casts with this one.
Yeah, it's a little bit heavier. Reel that one kind of. It's like if you're wanting to go deeper, reel it faster, and then if you're wanting it to stay up a little bit higher in the water, real slower. Are you on?
Maybe?
I don't know. There's so much algae. It's hard to tell if you're hooked on algae or not. Like if it's a bass or a bite or not, unless it's actually like pulling it.
That way the algae's like kind of dying down more.
Yeah, maybe the algae's not as bad up there in the front pond. Like over here where there's a bunch of algae, there's probably a bunch of bass. It's just hard to not get the algae on the lure. I still got sand in my mouth. You'll be aight. I know. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stop it before it gets to the tree. Got a mosquito in my ear. I thought somebody was screaming at first, but no, it's just the frog. Ah! Oh, something bit at it. Oh. Bro, he's about the same size as the lure. Is that a smallmouth or a large? I think that might be a smallmouth. Nope, 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 nope. I still got sand in my mouth. Come on, pliers work. Oh yeah, that's a smallmouth, I believe. Or is that a spotted bass? Might be a spotted bass. Finally caught something on it. It was small though. No, I want that big bass that attacked it earlier. Oh, something jumped down there. Oh. Oh, now that's algae that time. A big clump of algae. Yeah, I'm gonna walk down a little bit, take a few casts, and then yeah, we can. Walk down on the other side of that tree and try to cast. Try not to cast in the tree. Let me adjust the camera just a tad. There we go. There's a lot of algae and stuff over here, but bass like to use that as cover. That was... Hold on, I caught Earth. Did it go all the way through? Alright. As long as the barb doesn't go all the way through, you should be fine. Oh, that was terrible. Let me pull that algae off. Nothing, just algae. Oop. And there's more algae on it already. All right, I'm coming. I think I got a big pile of algae on it. Wait for me, Noah. All right, we're gonna head up to the other pond. I'll start recording once we get there. Yeah, Noah, I'm gonna take one more cast here where that one big bite was at. There's less algae over here, though. That's good. What?
I can hear your lure hit the water. I think you grabbed something.
Nah, it just hit the water. All right, I'm gonna take one more and then we'll head up there to the other one. Oh, that was your lure. Not yours, but I was just gonna let you keep it. I have a bunch more of those. I got another one in my tackle box and a few more at home. All right, heading up to the other pond. All right, we're at the other pond now. Let's just see if I can get down here without falling.
You're gonna really want to throw it out there with that one. They're not gonna be that close. This one's like, they're not close at all on this pond.
Well, last time I caught smaller ones close, but and that big crappie. Whoa. Hey, if you're gonna give me advice, at least make it to the water.
Yeah.
Oh, my flashlight's on. I didn't know that automatically turned on. Wow. Everybody on YouTube probably thinks I'm stupid now.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I was filming in the dark last night and it didn't do it.
Probably have auto flash on.
I don't know.
I see what happened. I reeled my hook too far out.
Oh, yeah, yeah, so you want to leave about 4 inches, 5 inches left of room with treble hooks because they get stuck. Well, it's good to have that light now, though. It's not as bright as my headlamp, but that'll still help since it's getting dark. Wish I knew what percentage my phone was at, though. Oh, shoot. My phone's at 8%. We might have to cut this video short. Well, I'm going to let you guys go. And then I might take a few pictures if I catch any fish and show you guys later.